This is what exactly I was talking about, the control of the cops with the body cam footage. What happened to me, the cop got rid of the footage, or the city got rid of the footage of my attack. So I'm so happy this is coming up, and they really need it really bad. But thank God this is coming up, man. Out of control, out of the cops in Santa Monica.
And this video captures a confrontation between Santa Monica police and a man they were trying to arrest. Now, this happened last night about 6 o'clock. This is at an apartment complex off or along Ocean Boulevard. Santa Monica police responded to calls about a man being disruptive there, refusing to leave the property. That man's been identified as 29-year-old Aaron Taylor. He's believed to be homeless. And when officers made contact with him, they say he spit at one of them, threw a cup of liquid at another, struck an officer in the chest. So those officers accused Taylor of resisting arrest and kicking and hitting them. Now, during the scuffle that you're watching here, an officer punched Taylor in the head. You may have seen him strike him in the legs with the baton as well. This was an effort, they say, to restrain and arrest him. Now, eventually, Taylor was taken into custody after refusing medical attention. He's facing a number of different charges tonight, including trespassing and assault on a peace officer.